Hello, today I thought I'd introduce all of my cats. This is my first cat that I ever got. Her name's Lily and she's 11 years old. And she's very cute and affectionate. And she's my favourite, don't tell the others. This is Molly. She's the second cat that I ever got, because I thought Lily would be bored on her own. And I got her from Facebook when she was very, very young. And they said that if nobody got the kittens that they were advertising, that they would just be dumped. And it's sad. But yep, she's been in my life 11 years. And she's very cute too. This is Bonnie. She's 4 years old. You're cute as well, aren't you? I got her during lockdown. And she has had loads of kittens, but she's actually been done now. She kept escaping every time we was going to get her spaded. But you've been done for a year now, haven't you? Bonnie. This is Jimmy, Bonnie's daughter. Yep. The name's Jimmy and you're a girl, aren't you? But it was my son's choice to name the cat Jimmy. And she is 1 year old. You're very cute too, aren't you? And in the background is her sister, Maisie. That's Bonnie's daughter as well, obviously. And we kept her because my daughter wanted her. And so yeah, that's all of the 5 cats. Maisie! And I'll only stick to having 5 cats because it's crazy here, even though I do love cats. Hello, Maisie. Hello. Very cute. All my cats are cute. Oh. Going to Molly. Maisie's the baby, aren't you? She will be 1 in April. So yeah, that's all my cats. Bye!